Hello my beautiful people. In today's video, we have some banana for our backyard. So this morning I just noticed that our banana is ripe, so I see like 10 is ripe, so we are not at home, so that is why we don't notice that the banana is alright. So let's go and check our banana. Thank you for watching. Philip, say ah. Say ah. Okay. Let's go. So here is the banana. You see, so like 10. So as you can see, it has ripe. You see, so I don't know, maybe this one don't like. I need to cut one for Emanuela. Emanuela, see banana. You see? Take. You like it? Philip, you want to eat? This is banana. See how it's big. You see? Yeah, take. Manila, wait. Take this one. Thank you for watching. So, thank you for watching. So this banana now, my husband will harvest this for me so that we will eat it.
Another, come and take more. More.
I take this in it.
So I have to also take mine too.
The banana is big.
Delicious as ever. Philip, take more.
Philip can't hold this. It's big.
Anela, you take banana to school tomorrow, okay? Take more, take more. Yes. Okay. Manuela, banana. Oh yeah, eat.
No, Philip, wait. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Manuela, say bye.
Bye.
Philip, say bye.
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 Philip, say
Bye.
bye. Bye.